So are you ready to embrace this winter arc and make it a time of growth? Let's turn this cold season into an opportunity for personal transformation. And when I talk about winter, and when I talk about winter arc, it's not about the actual cold weather only, because some of you might be living in warmer places also. What matters most is how we are going to use the upcoming months more wisely. And if you're new here, I'm Neeti Keswani, your host for Luxury Unplugged, that explores the intersection of luxury, mindset, and personal growth. And if you haven't already subscribed, then do so. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so that you're notified when another video pops up. Now, when people are thinking about winters, especially in this area, New Jersey, New York, it is more of a depressive feeling, gloomy weather, chilly weather. It is important that the outside weather does not live inside our heads. I live in New Jersey now, and winters are cold here. But we need to embrace change, because it's more important that instead of dreading the winters outside, the cold outside, we are able to embrace this change of season, this change of life experiences. One important step that you can do to transform your mind space is to reflect on your higher self, is to clear your headspace in such a way that you're able to have a clutter-free mind. If you feel gloomy looking at the weather outside, that can dictate your inner mind environment. So instead of feeling challenged by the general view, what people are going through, and we start mirroring that gloomy mindset, we can take a step to clean and organize, take time to declutter and tidy up your mind space. Because your environment then, your environment within, will help you be more focused and calmer, and you'll be able to take up challenges on the outside very easily. What you can do for that is maybe take out 5 minutes to avoid distractions and write down every day your action steps. How to stay productive today? What are the right steps for me to do? What can I do to basically create something which in the longer run will have that impact that I'm eyeing for? Let's make this winter a season of success together, because this 21-day challenge is basically helping you course through the overall winter season so that you are better equipped to line up your goals, to line up your aspirations, and actually achieve them even before the new year gets started. Hope you're having loads of fun while watching these videos, and if you are, then keep coming back for more. Let me know what videos you'd like to see, what topics are you interested in, and I can create more videos like that. Until next time, keep shining.